Okay. Oh, thank you.
Go ahead. I gotta walk right in there, man.
Okay.
Take her right into that room. You'll see the incubator over there.
Thank you. You were giving her a hard time, huh?
They're big puppies too. Let me get in here.
Yes.
Will you grab another blanket? Yes, ma'am.
All right, babe. You need to sit down?
Here.
I'm good.
You need water? You gonna pass out?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
So here's. These are freaking gorgeous. Look at that.
Wow.
Female, male.
This is a boy. I think your other Merle is a boy.
Oh,
also.
sorry. I'm sorry.
These are both boys.
They're big.
Hold them.
I really thought they would be smaller for some reason. I mean, I know they're small, but.
Sit on the floor with them. Just 'cause these two are freaking active. Wasn't this the first one we pulled out?
That one was.
Yeah.
No, I'm sorry. It was this one.
No, I think there's the white face because that's what dog said she wants.
Yes, you're right.
Sarah, where's Doc?
This one's a girl.
Now, what is that one? So she looks like Euro Martians too, right?
Yeah, she might be like a chocolate tri. I don't know. You might have to look up. What was Dad again?
Lilac girl.
So she could have lilac in her. I mean, she's got chocolate, and that could be her lilac coming through. So 2, 1, 3. Alright. Y'all better take a picture quick.
I'm doing video.
I can't.
I'm doing video.
I don't know why y'all let men in here with this. I can't even function.
Were you like this with your real children?
Yes.
Okay. Alright.
He comes in there.
These 3 are gonna be beautiful.
Have a cow.
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn this off for a little bit. I mean, they're plenty warm, but it's hot in there. If y'all want to just move a chair over, you are more than welcome to hang out with them.
Okay.
If you notice any of them that sound gurgly, just let me know. I'll come back and suck some more.
Okay.
But we'll just move these over. And I'm gonna go back with Dr. Stevens and help her with Mama.